Okay, Sears Craftsman, 19 horsepower, new battery. Okay, new fuel filter right here, new hose right here, going to the old style diaphragm fuel pump. Okay, new plugs right here. Okay, new battery, new starting engine right here. Okay, and let's see what she does. Starts and then stops. I got it on start. I'm gonna choke it up. Okay, full throttle. Let's go. Oh my God, what the heck was that? Sprayed some WD-40 in there, by the way, try to get it to start, but holy crap, what was it like shooting oil out of there? Let's try it again. Done. I'm gonna put this up. You guys tell me. Oh my God.